Hey Ryan, I'm just thinking about my mini golf hole last semester.
Pretty easy. Not hard enough.
Easy?
Really? Yeah.
What about you, Matt?
It wasn't good.
Easy. So you want a challenge, huh? You shall not pass! Get the ball in the hole, come on.
Oh, you made it too hard.
I think the hole is too hard. My job here is done. Let's see how it works.
Here's the circuit for the entire project. I have Arduino Nano instead of Arduino Uno. Same functionalities, just smaller form factor. For the sensing part of this project, I have a photoresistor and a voltage divider. It will sense when an object is next to the photoresistor, and from there it will activate this LED, which is on the outside. I have an inside LED that's always on. I have two 9-volt batteries that powers a servo motor, SG90 servo motor, and then a 28 BYJ for a stepper motor. To power the stepper motor, I have an L293D H bridge.
So here's the contraption. In here houses the Arduino Nano and the H bridge. A mess of wires here. Right here houses the servo motor. On this side houses the photoresistor, and the other side houses the inside LED. Back up there is the outside LED. Here's the front. Here's the stepper motor that swings this arm here. Here's that servo motor, that LED, and then on the other side, the photoresistor. So the photoresistor is a sensor for this project, and I have a servo motor for the actuation and a stepper motor for the actuation. Stepper motor here actuates this arm, and when the ball gets sensed by the photoresistor, servo motor actuates an arm that pushes the ball out.
Alright, so here's all the code for this project. At the right of the screen is my Arduino code. In here I define variables for the servo motor as well as the stepper motor. Note that the stepper motor has 4 phases, so I define these variables A prime, B, and B prime. Within my void setup, I have pin 2, which is from the photoresistor, the input from the photoresistor, as input, and the rest as output. I wrote LED, the inside LED, which is pin 7 high, because that's always going to be lit up. Within the void loop, I define the variable ball as my digital read 2, so information from the photoresistor goes to variable ball. If ball is low, meaning if the golf ball interrupts the inside LED light, thus making the photoresistor sense that the ball is in, it will actuate the servo motor and kick the ball out. And then it will add 1 to the score. So the score starts with 0. And then within the else function here, I have the stepper motor actuating back and forth 90 degrees, which is basically actuating the arm 90 degrees. And at the end, I have a serial pin, so it prints out the score, which is important because the process code to the left of the screen will take that score and display it. So here's the processing window. Within here, all of this is to define the background. And then at the end, it will update the score. And then I put a test to urge the user to try again. Having this processing window is advantageous because it keeps track how many times you made it into the hole, and then you can screenshot it or take a picture of it for bragging rights.